In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the AC belt on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located on the side of the motor. Let's get started. Using a right angle pick, we're going to get behind these plastic caps and pull straight out. Remove all of the caps. Using a 17mm socket, remove the 5 lug studs. When you remove this last stud, the wheel's going to want to come off. Remove the wheel. Here we are under the car, looking up at our splash shield. We're going to use a T45 bit, and we're going to remove the 3 rear screws. You should have 2 more right here and here. Ours only has 1. Using a T25 bit, remove the 4 screws on the sides of the splash shield. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the engine splash shield. Using a T25 bit, remove the 2 bottom screws for the fender liner. Using a T25 bit, remove the 3 screws going up the bumper. We have 2 more on the inside of the fender liner. Go ahead and remove those 2. Grab the bottom of the fender liner and pull back. Get it undone from the front bumper and then follow it back through the fender, pulling it back. Pull it behind the wheel. Using a 15mm wrench, we're going to get on our tensioner pulley. We're going to pull the tension out of it towards the back of the vehicle, and we're going to remove our belt. Then we can let the tension off of our wrench and finish removing the belt. Follow the belt routing diagram on screen to install your belt. We're going to install our belt. We're going to go around the crank first, get it up into place, pull the belt under our tensioner. We're going to get it lined up to pull around our AC compressor. We're going to use our wrench, pull the tension out of the tensioner. And as we do this, we're going to pull the belt around the pulley. Gently let go of the pressure and remove your wrench. Pull the fender liner back into place. Tuck it up into the fender and get the front lip over the bumper. Install the screws for the fender liner. Get the 3 along the bumper. There should be 1 right here. Ours is missing. Install the 2 screws on the bottom of the fender liner. We have 1 on the corner and then 1 up front. Install the 2 screws through the back of the fender liner. We have 1 right next to the strut and 1 towards the top of the strut. Install the splash shield into place. Be sure that all of your large tabs go in and all of your small tabs stay out. Install the bolts. Get the 3 bolts in the rear started. There should be 2 more on these outsides. We only have 1. Go down the side, installing all of these screws. You should have 4 on each side. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Using a T45 bit, snug up the rear 3 bolts. Install the wheel and get the 5 lug studs started. I'm going to snug this first one down to hold the wheel. Install the rest of the lug studs. Snug down the lug studs. Using a 17mm socket, We're going to torque our lug studs to 103 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the plastic caps. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.